Welcome to Light Sam's Living, baby. It's all about light, loving, and living. And today we living. Every day we living, but some days we living more than other days. Feel me? Found a new walking stick. I love this one. I found it about 10 feet deep in the water when I was swimming around earlier. Swimming around, getting the water codes, getting the sunshine codes, getting the nature codes. Get out in nature. Get out in nature and play. Play. Become childlike. Be a child in nature. Once you lose your childlike tendencies, once you lose that child in your soul, you damn near lost your soul. You don't want to lose that. Ah, it's beautiful out here. It's gorgeous. It's magnificent. It's brilliant. It's extraordinary. Life is good. Life is great. I'm on a whole nother mind state. I ain't never worried about my fate. 'Cause me and the Most Highs, we have a date. Just listen to those sounds. I don't know if you can hear them, but the river flowing, the birds chirping, the gentle roar of the wind against the trees. It's so powerful. It's so healing. It's so soothing. It's so grounding to be out here in nature. To feel the trees. To feel the current of the water in your feet. To feel the rocks. To feel what has been made here for tens and hundreds and millions of thousands of years. I don't even know what I just said, but it's a long time. I'm out here just soaking it up. Light Sam's is soaking it up. You should be too. Get out of the house. You can't be boxed in that house all the time. You got jobs and sure, yeah, you gotta balance yourself out though. I'm in an office 5 days a week. That's why I get out as much as I can whenever I can. We're not made to be in a box. We're not made to be covered from nature. We're made to be interactive. We're made to be interactive with nature. Be childlike. Get out here. Breathe in that beautiful, beautiful fresh air. That fresh prana. Away from the cars, away from the exhaust, away from the pollution, away from the EMFs, away from the radiation, away from the bullshit, and charge yourself up. You gotta charge your aura up. It's like a battery. That'll start to dwindle down and start to get holes in your aura. Different activities, different things you do will distort your aura. You wanna charge your aura up? Take your shoes off. Take your socks off. Plant it in the ground, baby. Plant them in the ground. Feel nature. Feel life. Be at one with everything. Feel the stillness inside your body. Feel the love, feel the light. Don't afraid to be childlike. Get out here. I beg you. Just get out here. Get out here and feel the vibes. These vibes are better than any vibes that are made artificially. I'm here to banish all artificial vibes. Get out of here. There's enough real vibes for us all. It's beautiful out here. It's epic. Epic, epic, epic. See that water right there? I'm gonna go jump in it right now. And it's gonna feel good. Boy, I'm telling you, it does something to you. It does something to you. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Light Samps out.